And welcome to another Demolition Derby 2 video. And today I'm going to be doing demolition with this car, which I've never done before. I only used it for racing. I'm going to do it 5 opponents. I've never used it before. Do the same strategy I always do, which is something to do with in the school bus video. Only flipped over. Come on, he missed him. Don't want to go up there because then my tires get damaged. Come on, he messed up again. Let's still find another one. I'm gonna crash that one from the back. My back tire is terrible. I'm doing terrible. Nothing hard with. That's the only thing I don't like about going with these. Then with these, the tires get messed up right away in demolition. And on the next video, I'm gonna make a video about me playing the same game, same mode, and with a different car that's actually really good at demolition. Everything's all evened out on that one. Got him from the corner. That car's gonna explode in a bit. Now I'm gonna start to try crashing cars into the side, because later when it's only 2-on-2, oh my gosh. Later when it's only 2-on-2, I like to go around here until I get the perfect chance to try to get them. Oh, come on. This is really good. These guys are really good. Yes, I rammed them into a tire, which does a lot of damage. Not as much as the exploded cars, but still does something. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. And I think I'm the one who took damage there. The car is right about to explode. I don't know how much I'm really getting him to do. I really don't want to get that much damage onto him. Oh my gosh, I wasn't paying attention. I was just paying attention to the top. He's gonna try to come at me through here. You have to watch. And he is. He crashed into something. That's why I just won. Thanks for watching.